Hi guys, good afternoon. My name is Santi. I will tell you one of the sweet stories in my life. One morning on St. Wednesday, I went to school with my father. When I arrived at class, the atmosphere seemed so different. The class was so crowded. My friend welcomed me and immediately took me to the canteen in the morning. But that day, my class seemed quiet. My friends were cold to me. They even avoided me and told me to sit alone at the back of the class. Their attitude really confused me. All day I was alone, not a single friend accompanied me. After school arrived, I was raining. I asked my father to pick me up, but my father said that he can't pick me up because he was busy. Finally, I decided to wait for the rain to stop for a long time. After the rain stopped, I went home alone by public transportation. When I arrived at home, I knocked on the door of the house, which was never open, until my neighbor said that there was no one in my house. In my mind, the question arose, what's wrong with today? My parents will always take me wherever they go. No, I don't know where they go. I also waited for my parents to come home in front of the house, but soon my father sent me a message that the house key was kept under a vase of flower. Finally, I was able to enter the house, which when I opened, the house was so dark. I walked to the light switch and turned on the house light. How surprised I was when the light turned on. My family and friends sang happy birthday to me with a strawberry birthday cake that my mother held. The atmosphere of my house looked so crowded. I was very touched to see a very extraordinary surprise from the people closest to me. It turned out that a strange day for me was a special day for me. I was very happy to see what they prepared and planned on my special day. It was one of the sweetest memories of my life.
Hi, my name is Faiz. I will tell you about my beautiful experience or memories. My pleasant experience was when I was on holiday with my school friends. Uh, I went on holiday to Garut Beach with my friends. On the beach, I enjoyed to get waves uh, while getting with my friends. It was really a moment which was very beautiful for me, especially accompanied by very beautiful sunset. It was a very beautiful experience for me and unforgettable. It seemed like that was the only beautiful experience for me. Thank you.
Hello, here I will tell you sweet memories from my childhood. When I was 7 years old or under, my parents often carried me. My mother always combed my hair before I'm going to school. And at night, I often fell asleep on the sofa. And my father moved me to the bed. I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I will tell you my beautiful memories. My most beautiful memories are when I was little. I always played with my friend, starting from adventuring, cooking, making houses, telling story, singing, dancing, hide and seek, and others. Maybe that's the most beautiful memory. That's what that will always be remembered. Thank you for listening to my short story. Enjoy life.
Hi, I'm Rehana and I want to tell you one sweet memory of all the sweet memories of my life. I have three best friends at vocational high school. Where four of us. It all started when we were in 12th grade. One day, the four of us went to the museum building Sate or Gedung Sate. We're all the same type of people who don't like crowds, so that's why museums are the right choice for us. In the museum, we can see the history of building Sate or Gedung Sate, the history of Bandung City, and blah blah blah. Don't forget, we took pictures there. This is a picture of the four of us. After we were satisfied to go around the museum, we returned home. Before that, there was a story that I thought was so funny. The four of us wearing bogo helmets. Suddenly, my friend said that we were bogo squad helmets. I think whatever activity I go through with my besties, it's the sweet moment for me. I hope this friendship will last forever, even to heaven. That's all my story of sweet memories. Bye bye.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Rafi. I will tell you about my beautiful experience. My beautiful experience when I was on holiday at Ranca Bali with beach with the Karang Taruna children in my area. In the afternoon, my friend and I enjoyed the dense crowd of the waves accompanied by the sunset. The sun with the cool breeze. My friend I shared stories. It was really a very memory moment and a very beautiful experience for me. It seemed like those are the memories I have with my Karang Taruna friends. Thank you.
My name is Nabila Alina Putri Pangestu, usually called Nabila. I was born in Bandung, 23 February 2006. My childhood was quite pleasant. My father loves me very much. Every time it's my birthday, my father is the first person to say and always give two gifts. I often chat with my father and also often laugh together. I really miss my childhood and also I miss my father.
Sweet memories, maybe it could be interpreted as happy memories. Talking about happiness, happiness itself is actually relative. Positive things cannot be absolutely called happy, and vice versa. Negative things don't always mean something that is unhappy, because happiness is relative. And on this occasion, I will tell you something happy about me and Astrea. Again and again, Astrea is not just an ordinary piece of scrap metal. He's more than that. He's everything, and he's special. It all started when I graduated from high school, maybe 1 year ago. It hasn't been long, but the scrap metal has already won my heart. Wherever I go, he always accompanies me. From starting to work until now to college, back and forth sa ating Cicalengka.
Hi guys, my name is Apitrina Petriani and from Sapitri, I will tell you sweet memories from my childhood. The small yard in front of the house hold a lot of memories from my childhood. Lots of exciting, beautiful and funny stories that happened in that yard with my friends, running around, playing hide and seek, playing games, playing with pictures, hanging out while telling stories. Always make us laugh happily, and we often get angry at each other, fight over each other, fight to win the games. But events like that now actually feel very beautiful to remember. Apart from that, playing with dolls, playing family drama, like being the child, the mother, the father, and other, and also always playing jumping rope, hide and seek, running around, and many other games and childhood. And I was playing wedding. It's just so funny. I thought playing wedding was the most memorable thing. There are lots of sweet memories from my childhood with my friends. Thank you, guys.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Muhammad Rayhan Budidarmawan. My name is C1B23088. Here I will share the most beautiful memories in my life. The most beautiful memories in my life. When I remember my most beautiful times with my friends. In the past, I think of when I was little, I played together friends. It feels like I'm just happy. I don't have a burden on my back at all. I spend the whole day playing with friends, like playing football in the rain until I come home. But I'm finally my mother gets angry because I don't know the time when I come home. But I'm still happy when it's not so possible. That's my childhood wasn't happy. Thank you, my friends, who used to often play with me. It's really nice to be able to feel the fun sensation playing with you. Even though now I have caused my own path, and I'm sorry, mom, if I was naughty or made you I'm angry. I'm sorry, mom. Maybe that's all can tell you about my most beautiful experience. Thank you. See you guys. Bye bye.
Hello everyone. At this time, I will tell you briefly about my sweet memories. When talking about sweet memories, in my opinion, sweet memories are not only have with lovers, but we can also have them with friends. I have sweet memories with my friends when I was still in junior high school. I have good friends and even good teachers. At the time, I was very active in participating in various activities at school, one of which was taking part in Scout extracurricular activities. At that time, I went camping with my friends. We ate together, joked together, cried together, fought together when taking part in competition, and we even fell in love together. We went through many things during that time, and of course, there are things that will never be repeated anywhere and at any time. I really miss those sweet moments, and I hope my friend feel the same way. And that's all about my sweet memories. Thank you.
I am Novo Lukman Rabani. Here I will tell you about the sweet memories in my life. Starting from the sweet memories in my life was in high school. I won a futsal competition with my friend. When there it was between classes or between schools. I was very proud to be able to win the competition, and there was also a study tour to Yogyakarta where my friend and I saw the beauty of Malioboro. Not only that, I also visited Borobudur Temple there. I am so happy to be able to have fun with friends there. Then after graduating from school, my friend and I went to Pangandaran Beach. How beautiful the beach was, especially with friends. It was an unforgettable day. Then there we grilled fish and so on. Not only that, beautiful atmosphere of Pangandaran Beach.
Hello, my name is Siti Rahma. Now I will tell you about a sweet moment when I was in vocational school, more precisely at the graduation ceremony. At that time, our class held a graduation ceremony at Pangandaran Beach. The graduation ceremony was held from afternoon to evening. Before this event started, we played in the water and sat on the beach, took photos together, and took a boat to cross the white sand. After we are playing, we rest at the hotel and prepare for the graduation ceremony. Each student wear clothes they made themselves during fashion class. This makes us attractive with our own characteristic at the graduation. The event started with an opening dance performance by the dance extracurricular. I really like seeing performance like that. This was followed by opening from the principal, and the East class presented one last performance. After the performance, the class winner and overall champions more announcement. I didn't win on the top three, but I'm quite satisfied that I was able to graduate with pretty good grades. We were given medals and then shook hands and hugged the teacher. This moment was very touching. I almost cried. After that, we took the photo together. Then at the end of the event, we all sang and danced together until 10 p.m. At 10 p.m., we went back to the hotel room to rest. But because I couldn't sleep, my roommate and I stayed outside the hotel for a few minutes while telling stories about the time we spent at school. We told stories while eating pop noodles. This last moment was very fun, and I think this is a beautiful or a sweet moment. Okay, that's all my story. So goodbye.
Hello, I am Dian Rudiana. Here I will tell you a little about my experience when I was in elementary school. As in Iraq, I go to school early in the morning. At school, I learn while playing. I used to really like playing football. My habit when I come home from school was to pick up firewood to help my friend. Then after I finish picking up the firewood, I playing football with my friend. And at 4 o'clock, I would ready to go to the court. That's a little of my story when I was little. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Maria Lisa. Sweet memories with my grandfather, who was a businessman, always being woman in my heart. Every night he came home with a beautiful cake of his face gold with happiness. We would sit by the beach, enjoying this peace, while sharing stories about my father's adventure. I was still a child then, and my father was involved in my life. I enjoy helping him prepare the meals, fixing the boat, or cleaning the fish. Each of those moments become fresh time we spend together. Our I read about curries, fish, and hardware. My father also taught me the importance of preserving the sea and the environment. He always emphasized how crucial it was to maintain the unstable of the ocean resource. Although my father has passed away, these memories with him still live on in my heart. These memories have become visuals of inspiration and stand in my life. I am grateful for the beautiful memory with my late father, who was a fisherman. Although he is no longer with us physical, his spirit and his lessons he to me will always guide and inspire me throughout my life. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Muhammad Ali Padilla. I will tell you about my beautiful experience or memories. My pleasant experience was when I was on holiday with my friend. I went on holiday to Pangandaran Beach with my friend. On the beach, in enjoy the gentle vibes. While chatting with my friend, I was really a moment, which was very beautiful for me, especially accompanied by very beautiful sunset. It was a very beautiful experience for me and unforgettable. It seems like that was the only beautiful experience for me. Thank you for your attention. See you in the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Nisha Mustika Kusuma. Here, I will tell you a little about one of the sweet memories I experienced when I was in middle school. When I was in grade 9, there was an art and culture segment. The text is to create a class dance drama. My class, namely class 9-2, chose a dance drama from one of the legends in Indonesia, entitled Sangkuriang, or also known as the Tangkuban Perahu. In this dance drama, I got the role of Dayang Sumbi. My class worked together to prepare the script, music, props, and don't forget to practice dialogue, dancing, and much more for the performance. We prepared everything in quite a long time, about 1 month. On the day of the performance, we come to school very early for preparation such as makeup. Our class performance only lasted about 25 minutes. At the end of the class performance, we added additional music and danced together as a final. The show went smoothly and was very enjoyable for me, my classmates, and those watching. When I was looking at photos or videos of the performance, a feeling of nostalgia appeared in my heart. I want to relive the moment in middle school, doing lots of exciting activities with my friend. That is one of my sweet memories. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Rifasa. Holiday or sweet memories for me along chat with friends accompanied me from childhood until now. Chatting with those who faithfully share and listen to each other. Maybe not looking for a solution, but at least it can express feelings, especially when everyone gather and fly all passionate games. Moment it is more valuable than any beautiful view. and I hope that we class 1B can create beautiful moment that will we remember when we are apart. Second, thank you.
Hello guys, I want to tell you something sweet that happened in my life. There was a time when I was at my last wedding. I felt sad and felt that the world was too hard and unfair for me. But behind it all, there was my father and mother who hugged me and said that I meant a lot to everyone. They said they never wanted to lose me. I was scared. They said I was the only one they were fond of. Then I cried in their arms until I calmed down. After that, we prayed together and read the Quran. Then I realizing that the world is not that bad. We just need to understand myself and we are not alone. I also miss my sweet memories when I was little, where I fell asleep while watching television and my father carried me to sleep in my room and cried me a kiss in my forehead. I remember it very well and I will never forget it. That's all from me. Bye bye.
Hi, my name is Ahmad. I will tell you about my beautiful memory at the time of my high school farewell. You call at the work, both sad and happy. A lot of students were regularly to wear black clothes and rubbers. They even began with welcome speech to the school principal and distribution medal to every student. After the event was finished, the next event was early I was. The students gathered in the file and mother and circle and fire and farewell song. Thus, they were to support to broad colorful bulb smoke, covering on everything with much very fun. They were to photos and also talk recording. At the very exciting moment, maybe that's the only story I'll always remember. Thank you for waiting. Bye bye.
Hi guys, my name is Shini Pitriani. I will tell you sweet memories. This incident started when I turned 17. My father and mother gave me a surprise. At the time I was annoyed all day, but the ending made me happy too, because it is a memory that cannot be forgotten. At the time I was very celebrated by my family. Exactly at 12 o'clock at night, they gave a very extraordinary surprise. At the time I cried because my 17th birthday was the first day I was celebrating. Thank you guys, bye bye.
Hello guys, my name is Ali Matawali. Here I will tell you about memories from my high school. In high school, I befriended Daniel, my street class companion with a shared passion for online game, especially Free Fire. Every night, we formed our own small team and built up for intense virtual battle. Our room featured with lively conversation and laughter, turning and die into exciting adventure. Match after match, we competed with other players, we play strategies and coordinate effectively. Each victory was celebrated with joy. Real defeat challenge was to improve our tactic. Free Fire was just a game for us, it was a space where our friendship grew stronger. We often spend late night together, discussing game strategies, sharing tricks, and talking about daily life. Despite occasional physical distances, online gaming become our way to feel connected and supportive. During exam times, when I reduce our gaming house, but the spirit of friendship does not both in and outside the game. Online gaming evolved into more than mere entertainment. It become meant to create lasting memories and bonds among us. Though we might not be supported by different educational paths, the memories we Free Fire always make us nostalgic for our high school days. Online gaming added a unique product or friendship and stories within and beyond the game continue to unfold over time. So that's the story of my memories from high school. Thank you.
Hello guys, here today will tell you about the most beautiful memories in today's life. So I sent to a regular school. He said that I had to go to boarding school. Well, because I have to go to boarding school. At first I didn't want it, but I decided I will not school. So he just wanted to do that. But I was grateful to Benson boarding school because there was many things that I can learn, many memories that cannot be forgotten. And finally, I was able to go to boarding school from class 1 to middle school to high school. Even though I had to interview have feeling of missing my family, but finally I was able to reach this point, and till now I can reach the fossil. So my happiest memories I was there at the Islamic boarding school, because from the moment I entered the Islamic boarding school until now I can't forget it. See you.
Hello guys, my name is Muhammad Irwana, where I will tell you about how I was surprised by parents give me bicycle. In 2017, it was the era of bicycle. All my friends had bicycle except me. When I played with my friends, I often return a bicycle for 2001 hour. Because I often borrow a bicycle, I said to my parents, Mom, Dad, Ryan, what's a bicycle? When my parents said, but a little longer, Mom and Dad don't have many money yet. At the time, I was married for about 4 months, so on my birthday, May 8th, I was given a surprise by my parents. They were so angry, they did understand what they were telling to do, and my sister also supported me for no reason, and I did know what now my birthday. At 20 o'clock, I was told to buy rich at the market, which is quite close to the house. When I got home, I saw that the house was empty and was no one. I looked in the room and into the living room, tickets, but there was no one. I opened the back room into the now where was a bicycle. I don't know where I was. I into our parents surprised me for bearing. Saying happy birthday when holding a cake, I was shocked because I'm told there was a friend in my house. In the hotel singing, cutting cake and playing together. My mother is say thank you. I have been waiting patiently from the beginning is on head and was written in the forehead. This and that 3.5 I began to dream with my friend and just that again. Maybe it was the happiest day for me because I was waiting to be bought did because and finally I was given a bicycle and I was the first day I celebrated my birthday.
The most beautiful memories. This is a memories that I can share with my friends. This moment is where my friends and I walked along the rain's place was telling stories about their seeing how the teen wants to reflect. And this our moment when we are facing there is also one the moments that we can't remember. I can't forget about it until now because the time we spent together was really fun. We were flying and flying in the rains and so on. In the first flying in the rain through the rich place. Basically, this is a moment I can't forget. My dad, the only photo of the most beautiful memories that I can share with all my friends. Hopefully, the memories can be an inspiration in future. That happiness can't be merged by materials. Thanks. Alone, but my one we do together.
Hello, my name is Ridho Galibagya Sampurna. One day precise on the 16th of August, my friend and I went to Mount Chikorai to come our mean and celebrate Independence Day on the mountain. Because many people say that on Independence Day there would be many people celebrating at the top of the mountain. They we get heard to prepare what we had to take up and what team we will go up. After agreeing with a joint decision that we will go up on the 16th of August so that on Independence Day we will be at the top of the mountain.
Hello everyone, my name is Bahri Nur Samsi. I will tell you about my most enjoyable experience. When I first started college, I accidentally met a woman who made my more enjoyable every day. He always accompanies me every day in happy and sad times. He is always there for me. Even though he always answers me because of this irritable attitude and every day. What makes me happy is him because I see her like my mother who always gives me support, understanding, love. What who it might be there is not much I can tell, but that's a fun story about my life. Thank you.